Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM tools. First one is Bitrix24 and the second one is HubSpot CRM. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll try to tell you more about these two products. We'll go through pricing plans and at the end we'll try to find out which one is better than the other. So let's start with Bitrix. Bitrix24 boosts team performance and encourages effortless communication with its collaboration features. The software can provide digital business solution in multiple fields with its diverse feature set. It comes enhanced with customer relationship management, internal communication, knowledge management, telemarketing, and workflow management features. Bitrix24 supports voicemail, multi-user collaboration, video, audio, conferencing, chat messaging, and file sharing. Users can also enjoy features like telephony, photo gallery, email management, and social sharing. This cloud-based collaboration tool can be run on any device. You can do brainstorming and cooperative writing too with it. It works 24/7 hotline with the Bitrix itself. Also, as you can see, online quests or questions if you have them, and it's free. If you want to test it, if that's the one and only option for you, you can actually check it out and register for free. It's, as you can see, it's very easy. So they're trying to basically show you as fast as they can boot it. And now you can just jump in. And as you can see, it's very easy. They are trying to show you how it's done in your first steps in Bitrix. You can invite people, you can get around all the features. I mean, this needs time to actually go through. You can synchronize it with your mobile phone, as you can see. So if you have any dates to come up or basically anything, you can just share it and use it straight away. Time and repost, also work groups. I don't have any in here, but easily you can add more, and you really can see how the Bitrix is. You can really see it's clean. If we compare it, for example, with Asana, Asana is a bit messy, but here you can integrate messages with your phone, with your employees, and really jump into and be effective. When we check the pricing, we can see that, as I am running it right now, you can run free license with Bitrix, then basic, which is $5 a month. If you are billed yearly, there is month option, 3-month option, and also 2-year, where you save the most. Standard and professional. I would say all of them are really nice. It's not that expensive, and for the sake of this video, it's the same level as HubSpot. So let's talk about HubSpot for a while. HubSpot, forever free customer relationship management software that provides solutions to all your CRM needs. HubSpot CRM automates the tasks for your salespeople, which allows more work with less data entry. The interactions are tracked down automatically, and a separate visual dashboard displays deals for total visibility. Now handle up to 1 million contacts, users can, and storage without any expiration date, all of it without paying a penny. With HubSpot CRM, you can also send emails in personalized sequence, which is delivered as per the schedule you set. get notified whenever any lead opens your email, so that you know how to follow up with that particular lead. Both of these CRM tools are very heavy dependent on integrations. So, for example, you can pay up the Bitrix and then use through integration some free features from HubSpot as well. When we check the software, actually they are dividing it into 5 options: marketing, sales, service, CMS, and operations hub. Same goes for pricing. They are not that flat, for example, like Bitrix, where you have 1 options, but with free tool, as you can see, you can start straight away, or then the starter, professional, and enterprise packs. There goes the pack for marketing, sales, customer services, CMS, and operations for every single of these 5 platforms that the HubSpot provides. Obviously, you can pay up monthly or you can go yearly. And what's really interesting, you can easily check the currency and then you can go into bundles. So if you are interested in a little bit of everything, they are providing you with this option for bundle, CRM suite or create a bundle. You can start 46 euros a month, 800 up to 3000 almost. So you just check if you want to start, for example, if it's okay to have 2 paid users, service hub for 2 paid users and stuff like that. And it's completely up to you. HubSpot is a little bit more messier than CRM and harder to use, but it's not a rocket science. For Bitrix, I have to say, once you catch a grasp of it, it's really easy to operate for every type of employee, even the slower one, so to speak. And I can't get really over it, the nice texture of Bitrix. So it's really hard for me to compare them, but I'm biased towards Bitrix. We used it, it's very nice, and also it's a bit cheaper and more flexible, I would say, even though HubSpot is really not that far behind. But I would go with Bitrix. If you have any more questions, guys, please leave a comment. We will try to answer them. If you like the video, press a like and also subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.